Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you a couple of different ways to turn off notifications for Instagram. The first way allows you to pick and choose what you'd like to be notified for, and the second way is to turn off all notifications completely inside of iOS. To get started, open Instagram and tap your profile icon on the bottom right. Next, tap the menu button on the top right, and then choose Settings. Tap Notifications and you'll be taken to the notification screen. Here you can go through and pick and choose what you'd like to be notified for. For instance, if you didn't want to be notified every time someone follows you, tap Following and Followers and then turn off New Followers. You can also head back to the main notification screen and choose Pause All at the top. This will pause all notifications from Instagram. You can turn off all Instagram notifications straight from iOS as well. This is actually how I do it because there's other apps that I manage inside of my iPhone settings. Close Instagram and then open Settings. Inside of here, scroll all the way towards the bottom where your installed apps are. Find and choose Instagram. Inside of here are your permissions and other settings for Instagram. Tap Notifications. Here you can turn on or off notifications as well as how the alerts look and sound when they're turned on. And that's how you change your notification settings for Instagram. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.